So this is a walkthrough on how to get yourself the Windows 10 extended support updates from the middle of October 2025, because again, Microsoft is killing off Windows updates for Windows 10 computers from 14th of October 2025. If your computer doesn't meet the requirements for Windows 11, you will need to either do this process or get yourself a brand new computer with Windows 11. If you're unsure if your computer can actually get Windows 11 installed on it, this website here from Microsoft allows you to download the program called the PC Health Check, which will allow you to download and run that to see if your computer will be allowed to run Windows 11 or not. When Windows 11 support stops on the 14th of October, your computer's still going to work, however it won't get updates, which means any security threats that occur that involve Windows 10, you will not be kept safe from. People think that antiviruses keep you safe. Unfortunately, they can't. If Windows itself is compromised, your antivirus won't keep you safe at all. So it's recommended either doing the update to extend your support for another 12 months or run Windows 11 on a compatible computer. There are some people who are saying they can install Windows 11 on non-compatible computers. It is not recommended to do that either. From Microsoft's own website here, if you install Windows 11 on computers not compatible with Windows 11, you do run the risks of compatibility issues, which can include your computer not working properly or not receiving updates. With that in mind, I do not recommend anybody ever force Windows 11 on a computer that's not compatible with it. Instead, get the updates for 12 months for free from Microsoft, and in that first 12 months, look into buying a new computer. With that out of the way, let's work out how to get these updates available to you on your Windows 10 computer. Okay, so this old Windows 10 computer, I'm going to run the PC Health Check program. So this is an old Windows 10 laptop from about 10 years ago, Dell laptop. When it eventually loads up, you'll see here 10 years old, 4 gigs of RAM. We'll check to see if the computer is compatible for Windows 11. I can click on this Check Now button. And no surprise, no it's not. It doesn't have TPM 2.0, the security system, nor is it CPU, the main thing affecting most people in the country and around the world. The CPU is not compatible. So that in mind, let's get stuck into getting Windows 10 extended support on this computer. Now, depending on how your computer's been set up, the start menu will look like this. And you've got to go to settings. If you've got, like a lot of people have on their computers, they have the open shell program modifying how the computer works. Getting to settings is a little bit different, but more like what the old Windows 7 was. Click on the Start menu and you have PC settings just here. Click on that and the settings window will open up. Inside settings, we need to go to Update and Security from here. And straight away, we're given the Windows Update screen. Once it finishes loading, you'll notice here, eventually, there's got Windows 10 support ends in the October 2025. Enroll in the extended security updates to help keep your device secure. We want to enroll now. Click on that. A new window opens up. Your speed might vary here. This is a bit of an older computer that I've got running this with. Eventually it decides to load and show us the next thing, where we can now enroll to get the computer to keep the computer secured, or we can do it maybe later. Let's do it now. Click on the next button. Once again, bit of a loading screen here. From here, we have to sign into a Microsoft account. If you already have one, you type in there your email address, and you can either use your current PIN, password, or an email to another email address. Put in your password for that account, and click on the sign in button. If you haven't got a Microsoft account, you can create one at this stage. I recommend using your normal email address as being the email address for the account, rather than making a brand new Microsoft Outlook account. It's just easier to use your own address rather than to deal with that. Once you put the password in there, it starts, another screen comes up where it gives you the offer to do it at no extra cost for 12 months to enroll the computer. Let's get there and enroll the computer now for this, so we can keep the computer safe for the next 12 months. Once it's finished enrolling your computer, it tells you that we are good to go for updates until 13th of October 2026. You'll notice on the right-hand side, it's quickly said there, your PC is enrolled to get extended security updates now. If we go back to Home, because I don't want this to be Microsoft linked, so go back to Home. I'm then going to go to Accounts, because I noticed there it's got my Microsoft account. I don't want that there, so I'm going to go down to the Accounts section, and I'm going to take away the Microsoft account from this again, put it back to being just a local computer. I can there click on Stop Signing Into all Microsoft apps automatically. Click on that. And guess what? Job's done. Your computer's once again a local account. It's no longer linked to Microsoft at all. And more importantly, it's now good to get updates into 2026. That gives me 12 months to replace this computer with a brand new computer.